this bond is beautiful to see each other giving this love, unconditional love for so many years is so nice. I think he's the best when he brings the common man to life on screen and make them king size. And nobody else, I think, makes it as real and as convincing as possible. I think Raviteja Garu, he does that with so much ease. He brings the native culture, native touch, and he gives the best to those characters and makes the common man live king size, I think, on screen. Been a big fan of his work. And also, to me, laughter is the toughest and the greatest art form. And he does that with his own ease. He's got his own way of entertaining audience for decades, entertaining the gallery for so many years. And he has made millions of Telugu audience laugh. Manasara sirikradhan solluvaanga. Adu vandu varsha kanakka adu pannittu irukkarna. It's not easy at all to do this repeatedly for so many years. So even in here, there in Tamil, be it Idiot, be it Kick, of course, Vikramakudu was a big turning point for Karthi. Sirthai was a very important film for Karthi. So as a brother, I'm again thankful for that art form which changed Karthi's career also. Anga Tamiliyum, without subtitle, without dubbing, all your films have been watched, and that's the power you have on screen. That's the way you entertaining Tamil audience also. Very few people have that skill. I think Rajini sir has that comic timing, and Bachchan Saab has got, and you being a huge fan of Bachchan sir, you've been doing this for decades. Keep entertaining us for many more decades. I think this October 31st will be Ravi De Jatra. It'll be his festival. It'll be a festival this 31st October. I'm sure all of you going to celebrate this. Rajendra Prasad Garu, thank you so much for all the lovely words you said. It means a lot to me. Sri Leela, looking forward for this film and also for your Tamil film with Sudha. Really looking forward for that. Naveen, all the best to you and to the entire cast here. And Vidhu, we're supposed to should work very soon. To the editor Naveen, sir, all the best for this film. And Banu, it's amazing to see the love you have for Raviteja Garu, for writing for all his films to direct his films means a lot. And again,